Hi, I'm Jim Pinkham, MarineMax Lake Norman, 704-997-2168. Today we're going to look at a 2020 Yamaha AR195. Starting in the back of the boat, this AR195 has got a C-deck matting for lounging while you're at the lake. Very comfortable. Has a table mount. There's an L-shaped seating configuration. There is a filler cushion that goes on this seat, or you can remove it to allow you access to a step through without having to step onto the cushion. Single captain's chair with the bolster thigh rise. Your helm has got a cell phone holder, digital gauge, show you all of your engine data, Jensen stereo, cup holder, tilt steering wheel, has the removable vinyl flooring, carpet. Here's your cooler and table stored underneath the left side of the boat. Nice large bow area. This is an 8-person capacity boat. Has the water sport tower with light. Also gives you some shade with the bimini that's built into it. This is the 2020 AR195 by Yamaha. If you'd like to come by and take a look at this AR195, I'm Jim Pinkham at 704-997-2168. Give me a call or come on by. I'd be glad to show you this boat or any others that we carry. Thank you.